All right, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to work on a STA-KON lug. Can't tell. Made in USA. These are old. I think they're black oxide, and they're wire cutters with crimpers. I think I'm gonna like this pretty good. These, they have a good feel to them. The handles are wide and thick, or here, across here, they feel good in the hand. Anyways, I'm gonna clean these up, see what they look like. I'm probably gonna blue these since they're black oxide. More than likely, I'm gonna lose a lot of the bluing, or the black. They were someone's. They got someone's initials on here. Can't really see them very well, but we'll see what it looks like. And I think I'm gonna put these in evaporust. Just little light rust. I think I paid $4 for these. Maybe. I got a 4 written here, but may not be what I gave for it. Anyways, let's see what they look like. All right, I'm going to run these over the 120 belt. It's kind of worn, and then go over, after that I'll go over with a medium fiber belt. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is all I'm going to do to them. I was going to maybe blue a little bit on these, but I decided against it because I think my bluing, if I blue down in here, it may run onto my polish. And tell you the truth, I think these are good just the way they are. And the company that makes this for T&B. It's for Thomas and Betts STA-KON LUG. It's I found a pair for sale, $34. $34.95 is what they're asking. Vintage, I guess, is what they said. I don't care if it's vintage or not. It's just a good old pair of tools. I threw some wax on it, and it's not the best. I could have taken it down to where no pits and nothing, but I really didn't see a need in it. There again, I hate to do a lot of work to something that's going to be a good used tool. This is not a trophy piece. It's not an antique. It's not, you know, something you're going to hang up and show everybody, but it's still a good used tool. And these things are expensive. I didn't realize how expensive these things. Wire cutters, crimpers, pretty much anything electrical field anymore. It's kind of like plumbing field. You're paying for it. Any of the trade. There we go. There, made in USA. And you can see it's the pitting on this side's not as bad. Pitting on this side is a little worse. It must have sat in water on this side. And there's the, it's for T&B. It's made for T&B, and that's Thomas and Betts, the same people that I get my heat shrink tubing from. That's the company who makes it. And like I said, there's one online right now, and they're asking $34.95, and I think I got $1, maybe 50 cents in this thing, somewhere around there. 50 cents to $1. So I got a, let's say, $1 tool here, and I may have 30 minutes of cleaning it up, and I almost got rid of someone's initials. I can't really see them anymore, but I don't care who you are. That's a good pair of little dikes right there, and actually I like the feel of them. You know, sometimes I wish the handles were a little like thicker here, but wide width wise they feel good right there in the hand. All right, ladies and gentlemen, give me thumbs up, thumbs down. Didn't do a whole lot. Lightly polished. Went over with a 120 belt, then a medium fiber belt, and a little wax on it. There you go. That's what you get. Good clean tool. It's not rusty. It's not all beat up. Last someone's lifetime right there, but it will for me anyways. All right, ladies and gentlemen, y'all have a good day.